If I'll be playing place the keys. I just joined the wrong server, so I'm gonna see if I can make a private server. Maybe that way I can. Wee.
So hey, Kent, I never got a chance to ask you. How you liking that VX Compact with the adjustments we made? You like it better that way, or would you go back to your old way? I said you got the silencer now, dude, so you find yourself getting a lot more kills with these steps. Somebody put a strike on me. Shit.
I'm recording. Okay, I just told you we're recording. There we go. Yeah, see? Yeet. Yeet, guys. Okay, so. Oh, how much keys can I grab? I got so much keys. Oh my god.
Bro, how good are you? I gotta know. How good are you?
Visas. Oh.
How good are you, dog? I just need to know.
Oh. Yeet.
Get your boys over here, dog. Come on, let's go. I'll let them. I won't kill you. Don't worry. If they can kill me, they get you back. There's one.
Oh. Yeet.
I'm good, eh? It's that voice, dog. It's that voice, dog. I can't be without that voice, dog. I need it for a few more seconds. Give me some. He's like, you like me now. No, I ain't fucking you, dog. We just going for a stroll, baby. It's just a stroll, baby. We gotta go to dinner
Next we
still.
have this.
You gotta take me to dinner still, dog.
And I think you belong somewhere. Oh.
He's like, we can do dinner,
I'll
boys.
drink some.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay, let's see here. Nope. Where's this one go?
Yeah, right underneath you here. It's right underneath you, yellow. Whoa! Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
I'm trying to figure out where this one goes.
Did you run away now? No more balls?
Anyone might die, please. Guys, it is not belong anywhere. Play one. It's just me. Oops.
Ammo box.
This is a lot of keys.
I juiced on 3 of them, dude. Oh, that guy hiding? Yeah, I killed him. That was me. Yeah.
What is this?
He's trying to run away, and I shot him right in the back of his head. Oh, stadium. Sniper on stadium. Broken. Oh, you bitch. That was so close. Come on, baby. Broke one. Yes, let's go, chicken. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That was good. I had them both fucking so.
Next is this.
Got another?
It belongs in green, so it's all. Oh, wait, dude.
There we go. There we go. Oh. Fucker. I let it go away. I had 5 chances. You're not that good, are you, Blue Screen? You're not that good, are you? You're not that good.